So first and foremost, let me just say a massive thank you to everybody who's been showing me love and support in the past month or so on my YouTube channel and on my social media accounts, whether it's on my personal one or whether it's on my car page S3 Range. Either way, thank you to everyone who's been supporting me from the get-go, to all of my new subscribers. And the aim is still to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. But yeah, just a massive thank you to you all, and I promise you won't be let down. I will be uploading twice a week, like I said in my previous videos, consistently, whether it's to do with my car or whether it's to do with the other topics that I'm interested in, which those videos are coming. So I've started to train again. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I literally, like 2 or 3 weeks ago, guys, I had no muscle mass. I did, but I was just very flat everywhere, whereas now I feel like I've kind of, everything's starting to come back slowly and slowly with just like consistent good sleep, good dieting, and just training from home. So what I was planning on doing, or what I was hoping to do this weekend, is actually miss a few sessions through the weekdays and actually record some sessions on the weekends, upload, edit them, and then hopefully get them to you next week when I upload again Monday, Wednesday. I just think it'd be really interesting to get those videos out to you. Some things that I'm, some other things that I'm passionate about, aside from the cars. But cars is the massive thing I'm passionate about. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy those videos as well, and other videos to do with managing health, anxiety, men's lifestyle, and men's fashion, because I am into all that stuff, regardless of how scruffy I look sometimes in some of these videos. Today's video, let's just get straight into it. Let me show you the actual package I bought from eBay for £39, I think it was. I did run into a bit of a hiccup, but I will show you what that was in the video as well, because one of the things didn't fit the car exactly. It wasn't an OEM fit, whereas the other things were. But I'll show you that in the video. I'm going to show you what the car looked like before, review the actual products I've got, show you the process of removing the badges, and then show you the process of putting the badges back on, and then showing you what the car looks like at the end. So a lot of people are probably wondering, why would you make a video on such a small upgrade, and why is it such a long video? All you've done is remove badges. But the thing is, yes, it is really easy, and I'm not saying it's hard, but the hard part is making sure that you're removing them safely. So actually getting the badges off, yeah, you can rag them off. So the difficulty is removing the badges without scratching the paintwork. So I didn't want to, ruin any of my paintwork or scratch any of my paintwork, because what you'll notice is, well, what I noticed is when I was removing the S3 badges, there was so much glue and residue left. These OEM badges are properly stuck on by Audi, and it was really hard to get off without, damaging the paintwork. So I had to go out to Halfords, get some, sticky tape remover, use that, and then the next day I washed my car. Took me I think I started at 12, finished at about 3:30, 4ish, gave it a detail, polished it, really get any kind of little scratches, because to be fair, I did scratch it a little bit, but it was really hard. The front was really easy because it was just like clip on, clip off, but the back was really hard, and it was just, yeah, really, really tough. I think I started with a hairdryer, then ended up with a heat gun because it was a bit more powerful, but I'll run through that in the video, and I will tell you as like a text overlay, what kind of things you'll need. But just quickly, you'll need either a heat gun, if you've got one, brilliant, or if you haven't, hairdryer, sticky stuff remover from Halfords, £5. I wouldn't recommend thread unless it's fucking super strong, because my thread just kept on breaking. And a card, like a flat card, I just used a Nando's card, a spare one that I had, and I think that's it. And just masking tape to mark up exactly where you want the badges to go on once you've removed them, when you've tried to put the new ones on, because it's really important. You don't want your badges to be out by a few millimeters, because otherwise it's going to look really silly. You want that really OEM look as possible. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let's get straight into it. Give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Drop a comment below. Tell me what you think of the car, the new look, and whether it's made a big difference. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that bell icon for future notification. Guys, I'm not going to do an outro just because, yeah, it's going to make this video too long. But yeah, again, please guys, love. Overview of what the car looks like right now. So this is obviously the car with the black edition. So like I said, the black mirrors, caps, and the black grille, but the only things that are not in black are the 4 rings, so the Audi badge and the S3 badge. So they're going to be replaced with black replacements. So I will show you the back, what it looks like too. And as you can see, my car's a mess, proper dirty, but it is what it is. And as you can see, same thing. So these two things are going to be replaced. So let's get into this video and start with heating these up and actually just getting them off with a bit of thread. So I'll show you exactly what you need. So this is the package it came in, and as you can see, this is the stuff that came in the package. So you have the front
Audi badge in gloss black. So I don't think this is the only thing in the pack that I don't think is from an OEM original Audi part. But you know what? For now, it will do. It'll do. It looks good enough. Looks like high quality material. This is an original Audi badge, and you can tell so by the writing here. I'd hope it is. And the same goes for these. I've already opened this one. And this is the S3 badge for the front. So yeah, 4 things to replace essentially. So let's go ahead and try take off the back badge, because I think that'll be the easiest. These 2 badges I think will be the easiest, because I think they're just like stuck on. So just I'll show you what you'll need to do anyway. So let's go outside and actually get this job done.
Should be on, man. Do that with your own.
I think they're on.
Huh?
I think they're on there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. Yeah. To be fair, Bobby, they look pretty much the same on the inside, you know. I don't know if this is original.
Actually, what?
I don't know if this is original.
What? No, they might not match. Yeah.
Oh no, it's not. It's got writing in it. Yeah, no, that one's not original.
Which one?
This one's got writing in there.
Yeah. Does it matter which way it goes in? Don't think so.
God knows. I can keep all these in it.
There you go.
Wow, bang on that.
No, just this one though,
Have a
right?
look. So guys, we had a bit of a hiccup, so I'm just going to show you something. So this was the S3 badge that I got with the package. and essentially it looked pretty decent, it looked really good, but the only issue was it was a screw-on one, so essentially I'd have to take off the bumper and screw it on from the back, because there's no way I'd be able to fit this on unless I had access to the back, unless I had access from the inside of the bumper. So clearly this wasn't an OEM fit, as everything else was in the package. So that was really the only letdown. But the guy who I bought this off of eBay was really nice. He refunded me part of my money, and he was just really cool about it. I got this from Stealth Badges, and as you can see, the back is totally different. That's probably what that one is. So I'm just going to take this one off, pop this one on. So I've got the full black package. Hopefully it shouldn't be too hard, so let's just go ahead and clip this off, and then clip this one back in. So yeah, I'll put this in my pocket for now. So believe it or not, it's actually a lot harder than it looks. So what I need to figure out is how to kind of unclip it, and it looks really easy, but the thing is I really don't want to damage the front grille because it is plastic at the end of the day. Oh, yes! Did it without damaging it as well. So yes, that was the success. So literally all I did was, I knew I had to kind of lift this bit up here, because essentially when you lift this bit up, and guys, that just shows you that you don't need to rag it out, or you don't need to apply tons of pressure. So I'll show you what it looks like inside. So this is what it looks like. So this little thing here hooked on to that, just that thing in there. So yeah, once you figure out how to, I suppose, get that off, it's quite cool. So yeah, this is the old one, and this is the new one. So let's see how OEM it looks. They're pretty much bang on, to be fair. Pretty much bang on, the spacing and everything. So I'm just going to pop that on the floor here, and I want to stick this new one in. Only issue. So the only difference I can really tell is okay, there is a difference, guys. Oh wait, hold up, another in. I just had it upside down. Tripped up a little bit. Okay, cool, so there's two bits in there that you really have to, so yeah, let's try and get this one hooked in. Oh, bang on. That's it, all done.